Hello, my name is Roze Wesby and I'm the Group Head of Plants of Tomorrow at Holcim. Plants of Tomorrow is our global program to future-proof our cement manufacturing operations through the scouting, the selection, the deployment and the operation of Industry 4.0 technologies. Robotics are an integral part of the portfolio of Plants of Tomorrow. And within the scope of robotics, we have drones. The drones for us are really important. It starts with health and safety. We make sure that we can actually eliminate sending people into confined spaces within our cement manufacturing operations by using these robotic drones instead. But not only is this good for our health and safety, it's certainly also good for our profitability. While we do spend some money on acquiring these drones and operating them and keeping them maintained, it also helps us avoid things like scaffolding costs, be able to reduce the time or the downtime of our plants, and in turn that actually helps us save quite a bit of money on the end side. But finally, it also helps our people be productive and efficient. The better that we can keep our systems running, the more proactive we can be with our maintenance, the shorter the shutdown times and the higher the uptime that we have. This means we can produce better quality product for our customers all around the world. Perhaps a bit of advice for any peers who might like to develop a similar program. This takes collaboration. As much as we can look at a provider like Flyability as a vendor, that's truly not the case. It takes a team to be able to bring this to life. So in the same way that Flyability bring their expert advice and their knowledge to be able to build these technologies, for us what's tremendously important is that we invest too. We invest the time of our team to make sure that they get the best from the technology and that we are collaborating on what those next features are. So in a way we could call this a partnership, and in that regard, my advice would be stay open, collaborate, and do so from day one.